Look at more markets now. We see the crypto space still in the green with the fear greed index, showing sentiment in the crypto space now standing at 56 points, showing that it's greed. The market has been in extreme fear for quite a while now, but now we're seeing greed creep into the market. Just looking at market cap, that $2.16 trillion is up by 1.96%, sitting pretty above the $2 trillion mark. Volume traded up about 20.75% in the total crypto space. Bitcoin dominance sits at 42% there. We see the price of Bitcoin this morning, $47,574, up by 1.41%. Volume traded, $34.90 billion. We see Bitcoin is remaining strong above the 45,500 resistance zone after starting a fresh increase to clear the 46,500 resistance. Now we see Ethereum there, $3,411. That's up 2.85%. Volume traded $19.91 billion. We see Ethereum also breaking a couple of resistance there at 3,250. Cleared that, and now above the $3,350 level as the price settled on the 100-hourly simple average. Let's look at the top alts by market cap. It's all green on that counter there. We see Cardano, the biggest mover on that counter. Let's bring in Rumi Ofi now, digital market analyst. Hello, Rumi. Good morning.
Good morning. It's green.
Yeah, it's really green, and I can see the excitement there from you, and most traders in that market quite excited right now. But I see more endorsements coming for Bitcoin. One is the Canadian Conservative Party candidate for Prime Minister. He's come out to say, you know what, let's allow all Canadians use Bitcoin as legal money in the country. That's quite interesting.
Yes, exactly. It means that people have actually seen the reason why they should give Canadians, this Canadian Conservative Party candidate is actually vying for Prime Minister. Canada has a history of the current Prime Minister getting involved with the protest, and it's been funded by crypto at some point, closing back accounts and all those things. So this guy is saying that people should be given more financial freedom. And the truth is, the data are just coming out quite big, that an analysis done by IPOS found that about 25% of Canadian adults are considering using cryptocurrency in the future, right? So, and it's quite huge. Cointelegraph also did this in January for about 1,000 people, and it shows that 62% will be getting involved or being paid with crypto by the year 2027. But notwithstanding, the market has been very, very, very strong, and I see that I've been able to. I was telling you at some point that 35 was very significant. But what is happening in the market that people need to know is a function of demand and supply. So, on-chain analysis from this platform, which I usually use, is called 1 year plus hurdle rate, suggesting that it has been tracked that on-spend transaction. It's actually increasing. People are not spending their cryptocurrency, most especially Bitcoin. And
right.
when the percentage goes up, it means that a lot of people are having interest to hold, and a lot of persons were scared at some point. And it is, we have speculators and hodlers, right? So in the last couple of months, from the fear has been increasing. I know you have been frequent with the fear and greed index. So fears have actually stemmed from the U.S. Federal Reserve increasing interest rates, and also initiating quantitative tightening to curb inflation. That's also very, very, it's something that you need to get someone scared. Then the Russia and Ukraine war came in, Omicron virus came in, so all of these guys, a lot of people were scared. Even at some point, some of us were scared, but we know the data and we know our history will always repeat itself. So
okay.
Some felt that the whales are going to sell, but what is most significant is that most of these whales, they didn't sell, they kept on buying at specific lows. It seems that the institutional investors are always looking for discount price. When the price is very low, they buy. Yeah, very, very low, they buy. And people that usually lose money in all of these things are people that wants to get gratification, and greed is not good in this industry. Thank you.
All right, Rumi. Thanks for that. Well, but talking about selling now, very quickly, when are you looking at taking profit?
I'm in for the long term.
Uh-huh.
I have expectation in the next 10 years.
Diamond hands. All right, Rumi, always good to talk to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.